You are going to love the 2015 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.